So we'll continue with our carbon and compounds. Yesterday's homework sum we will do first. Fourth question. Okay, I gave CH triple bond CH. So I'm sorry, fifth question. CH triple bond CH. It is nothing but ethyne. This is what I gave homework in the previous class. So first we'll draw the structure. CH means one hydrogen will be attached to carbon. In the middle there is a triple bond and another carbon is there, and to this carbon one hydrogen is attached. Okay, so this is the structure. So now you know for carbon you should keep how many dots? 4 dots. For hydrogen you should keep 1 dot. So same way we will write here carbon, hydrogen, here one carbon, here one hydrogen. So for carbon I have to keep 4 dots. In the middle here 1 dot I will keep, and here 3 dots I will keep. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, this side 1, 4 dots. For this carbon also 1, 2, 3, and this side 1 dot. Okay, and for hydrogen you know always 1 dot. So always you should first circle for hydrogen 2 electrons, and coming to this carbon already it is having 4 electron. Fifth electron from hydrogen it will share. Sixth, seventh and eighth electron from the neighboring carbon. So you have to circle like this. Okay, and coming to this carbon already it is having 4. Fifth one from hydrogen, sixth, seventh, eighth from this carbon. So you will get like this. Okay, so these two electrons has formed one bond, these two electrons has formed the next bond, and these two electrons third bond. So how many covalent bonds are there? 5. So number of covalent bonds here 3, 4, 5. So 5 covalent bonds. In the 2 bonds are single bonds. Okay, and one bond is a triple bond. One bond is a triple bond. So this is our electron dot structure for ethyne. Okay. So the next question is we have to draw the electron dot structure for CH3OH. CH3OH. CH3OH is nothing but methanol. Methanol. CH3OH is nothing but methanol. So we are going to draw the electron dot structure for methanol. Okay. So CH3OH. First we will draw the structural formula. Then it will be easy for us to write the draw the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure you have to draw only with pen. Okay. So C is there. Atomic number 6. 2, 4. So 4 dots we will keep for carbon. And hydrogen is there. Atomic number 1. 1 dot for hydrogen. Oxygen, atomic number 8. It will be arranged as 2, 6. So you have to keep 6 dots for oxygen. Okay. So see here CH3. CH3 means what? CH3 means what? 3 hydrogens are attached to this carbon. Okay, and OH, if there is no bond given in between, okay, there is no bond given here, yes or no? If there is no bond given, it means there is a single bond. Single bond means they will not give, okay, without giving, right, they will give continuously. That means what? There is a single bond. Then what is present? Oxygen is present. Then between oxygen and hydrogen, they didn't give anything, so there is a single bond H. So this is my formula for CH3OH. So CH3 ன்றதுனால some of you will draw like this CH3. Okay, CH3OH. Some of you will draw like this, that is wrong. Okay, so this is the exact structure for CH3OH. Now you know where all to keep the dots. Yes or no? So one carbon, hydrogen, 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 oxygen, hydrogen. So for carbon, how many dots we should keep? 4 dots. So all the 4 dots around carbon we should keep. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen, for each hydrogen, 1 dot. Okay, for this hydrogen also. For oxygen, I should keep 6 dots, and out of these 6 dots, 1 dot this side, 1 dot this side I should keep. So 1, 2. So remaining 4 dots, 2 above and 2 below. I'm keeping like this. Okay, so it is easy to circle for hydrogen first. So finish circling that. Okay, next for carbon, if you see, this carbon is already having 4 electrons. So 5th electron from this hydrogen, 6th electron from here, 7th electron from this hydrogen, and 8th electron we will get from oxygen. So like this you have to circle. Okay, and coming to oxygen, already it is having 6 electrons, 7th electron from this carbon, and 8th electron from the hydrogen it will get. So you have to circle 8 electrons for oxygen. Okay, so how many covalent bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 covalent bonds are there. Okay, so number of covalent bonds are 5. So 5 covalent bonds are there. So all the bonds are single bonds. So it has 5 single bonds. It has 5 single bonds. So understood? Now we will draw for the next one. The 7th one we are going to draw for CH3, CH2OH. CH3, CH2OH is nothing but ethanol. Ethanol. So ethanol is a sweet smelling substance, liquid. You would have smelled it in the lab also. Yes or no? Ethanol. It is used in all the alcoholic drinks. Okay, and it is also used for preparing syrups and tonics, medicines. Okay, so this is the formula for ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. So you know, I am not writing it again. For carbon 4 dots, for hydrogen 1 dot, for oxygen 6 dots. So we will directly go to the structure. CH3 means what? 3 hydrogens are attached to the carbon. So this is CH3. So in between there is no bond given. So what is the meaning of that? In between there is a single bond. Then CH2. CH2 means what? To this carbon, 2 hydrogens are attached. Then in between there is no bond, so it means single bond. Then OH. So like this. So this is the structure for ethanol. So now we have to draw the electron dot structure. So carbon, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Here one hydrogen, this side one, and this side one. Here one hydrogen and here one hydrogen. Now we have to keep the dots and start circling. So for carbon you have to keep 4 dots. For this carbon also you have to keep 4 dots. For oxygen 6 dots. How I should keep the 6 dots? 1 dot this side, 1 dot this side. So 1, 2, remaining 4 dots upper side and downward side. Okay, and for all the hydrogens, 1 dot. Now you know it is easy to circle for all the hydrogens first. Coming to this carbon, it is already having 4 electrons, 5th electron from hydrogen, 6th electron from hydrogen, 7th electron from hydrogen, and 8th electron from the neighboring carbon it will get. Okay, and coming to this carbon, already it is having 4 electrons, 5th electron from this hydrogen, 6th electron from this carbon, 7th electron it will share from this hydrogen, and 8th electron from this oxygen. And coming to oxygen, it is already having 6 7th electron from carbon and 8th electron from hydrogen. So this is my electron dot structure for ethanol. So how many covalent bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 covalent bonds and all the 8 bonds are single bonds. All the 8 bonds are single bonds. So this is my electron dot structure for ethanol. Okay. So the next we are going to draw the electron dot structure for CH3CO CH3. CH3CO CH3. CH3CO CH3, it is nothing but acetone. What is the name of this? Acetone. Where this acetone is used? It is used in nail polish removers. Okay. It is also called as propanone. It is also called as propanone. So it has two names. So first we will draw the structures. You know how many dots for carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So first we will draw the structure. So CH3 is there. So CH3 means what? Carbon is attached to 3 hydrogens. Next, there is no bond given, that means it is a single bond. Now listen carefully. CO, many of you will mark CO like this, but it is wrong. The actual structure for CO, how this carbon and oxygen are connected, is C double bond O. Okay, so how it is connected? C double bond O. So CO means it is C double bond O. It is connected like this. Then there is no bond here, which means it is a single bond. Then it is CH3. Okay, so the next it is CH3. Clear? Understood?
Yes.
So CH3CO CH3. Now you know how to keep all the dots. Okay. So CH3 will be like this. Then again one carbon on top of this oxygen and CH3. Okay, so like this you have to draw. So first we will put the dots for carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots for carbon. For this carbon, how to keep the dots? See here, 1 dot this side, another dot this side, and 2 dots you have to keep on the top. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this you have to keep. Okay. Based on the structure, you have to keep the dots here. Next, for this carbon, all the 4 dots on all the 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And for all the hydrogens, 1 dot. For oxygen, how many dots we should keep? 6 dots. Out of that 6, 2 this side. 1, 2, so 3, 4 and 5, 6 on the side I will write. Okay. So first we will circle for all the hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will circle for all the hydrogens. Now for this carbon, already it is having 4 bonds, 4 electrons. 5th one, 6th one and 7th one from hydrogen and 8th one from this carbon. And this carbon you see 1, 2, 3, 4 it is having. 5th one from this carbon, 6th one from this carbon, 7th and 8th electron from oxygen it will get. So you will get the diagram like this. Okay, and coming to this carbon, already it is having 4, 5th, 6th and 7th from hydrogen and 8th from this carbon. Okay, and coming to oxygen, already it is having 6th, 7th and 8th from this carbon. So you will get like this. Okay. So how many covalent bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 covalent bonds. Out of the 10 covalent bonds, 8 bonds are single bonds and there is one double bond. There is one double bond. Okay. So understood how to draw the electron dot structure for propanone or acetone. So the next one is CH3COOH. It is nothing but acetic acid. It is also called as ethanoic acid. Acetic acid, or it is also called as ethanoic acid. Okay, and not only that, where it is used, it is present in vinegar. Okay, so vinegar, it is used as a preservative in pickles. For that only this acid is used. So first let us draw the structure of this. So CH3, you know CH3 how it will be connected. So it will be like this. So CH3, COOH, CO means I told you how it will be connected. C double bond O. Single bond will be in the middle, and CO means it will be connected as C double bond O. And again one single bond, then oxygen, then again one single bond, hydrogen. So this is the structure for acetic acid or ethanoic acid. So now you can pause the video and try this. Okay, the electron dot structure. Okay, so for carbon we will put, okay, and 3 hydrogens, and then one carbon, oxygen, and one oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, so for each hydrogen you have to put one cross. Okay, and for carbon you have to keep 4 dots. Okay, for this carbon also you have to keep 4 dots, but how you will keep this 4 dots? 2 dots on the top. Okay, and for this oxygen you have to keep the dots like this. Okay, and for this oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Okay, so for hydrogen you circle first everything. Okay, and for carbon, so 4 electrons it is already having, so the remaining 4 you have to circle. Okay, and for this carbon also 4 electrons it is already having, so the remaining 4 you have to circle carefully. And for this oxygen already it is having 6, so 7 and 8 electron. Okay, you have to circle. Okay, for this oxygen already it is having 6, so 7th and 8th electron you have to circle. Okay, so this is my electron dot structure for acetic acid. How many covalent bonds are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 covalent bonds. In that 6 bonds are single bonds and 1 bond is a double bond. Okay, so with this we have completed till CH3COOH, acetic acid. So the remaining electron dot structures and the next concept I will teach in the next class. Okay, thank you.